Good evening, Latin scholars. Tonight we'll be looking at Aeneid, Book 4, lines 287 to 299. In this passage, Dido catches wind of Aeneas's future departure, and Aeneas decides how to break that he is finally leaving. So let's jump right into it. This seemed the better, so potior here is a comparative, better alternative to Aeneas, so there's an implied Aeneai wavering. So Aeneas is wavering, he's trying to decide what to do. This seems like the better alternative. He calls Menesthius, Sergestus, and brave Serestus. These are Trojan commanders, and Virgil likes to do this a lot. He's a learned poet. He likes to toot his own horn. He knows the names of the commanders. And Wokat is setting off an indirect command to make ready the fleet in silence so Dido doesn't find out, and to compel the allies to the shore. So collect the troops, prepare the arms, and to conceal what is the cause of changing plans. A couple things to note here. So all of these verbs in the indirect command are in the present subjunctive. Rebus is a dative gerundive along with newandis, and right here this is an indirect question. He, this is referring to Aeneas, meanwhile, will try, temptarum esse, will try, since Dido, the best of women, praising Dido, knew nothing. Nesciat here is a subjunctive in an independent statement, still going back to that wokat. And never dreamed or hoped of breaking a love so great. Rumpi amores here is more of an ambiguous expression. It's not exactly clear what he means by this, and there are a couple ways you could take it. But we're going to take it as breaking the love so great. Temptarum, as I said, has the essay after. An approach and a time which, and after tempora there is a sit, which is most mild for speaking. What way is right for his purpose? So there's a sint. My apologies. There's a sint plural after tempora and a sit singular after modus. So that's you're getting the full verb there, and he's still questioning what's going on and what to do. Swifter than said. So after ocius, there is a supplied dicto. This is a Roman expression. Ocius is a comparative here. All the Trojan chiefs obey the order happily, and they fulfill the order. So parere here is taking the dative. That's going to put that. But the queen suspected his deceit. Who could deceive a lover? And this is an apostrophe here. It's sort of an aside. And she first catches future movements, fearing all regardless of how safe. So tuta here is used concessively, meaning that no matter how safe she is very paranoid about this. Backing up just one bit here, post-it is a deliberative subjunctive. And so she's on her toes. She's looking out for Aeneas the snake and trying to figure out what's going on. And on her suspicions, the same wicked rumor reports to raging Dido. There's an implied A here. So this is an independent, indirect statement now. The fleet has been armed and a course has been plotted. These are passive infinitives in an indirect statement built off of de tulit. So I hope that cleared things up a little bit for you. I hope you enjoyed it. And I've attached some pictures of what Aeneas's and Dido's relationship must look like at the moment. Enjoy the stock photos, dwell on it for a moment. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.